Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma hynne sngi ula plie rynsan syllok Haba Iadei bat ki Marpoh Khyndew kabalong nongbah Shillong halor phang, enhancing mineral exploration through NMET kabala pynlong daka Directorate of Mineral Resources jong sorkar Jylla. Haba kren hakani ka jingialang Myntri Rangbah ulaong ba hapdeng ka jingwad iki Marpoh Khyndew na bynta ka jingmyntoi jong Jylla hynrei ka longpat ka donkam ban pej bakam dei pat ban kta ya ka Mariang bat kumta donkam ban pentikna bakan donlang ka jing Burom Ruh. Myntri Rangbah hakani ka sngi ula plat pat baru ika state geological and mineral map jong ka Meghalaya bat kumju ika Meghalaya Minerals Database. Donlang hakani ka sngi na du ki he naka NESAC, NMET, Ministry of Coal, GSI, Law Department bat ki wei kentup ru ya ki he sorkar na ka Jylla.
I also request the Honorable Chief Minister to officially launch the Mineral Mining Database.
That from the very beginning, I remember in 2018, in my first term, when I had taken over as Chief Minister, we had a very crucial problem in front of us in regards to the coal mining issues that we had, and how we had environmental issues, scientific mining issues. We had issues about land ownership and constitutional protection, and different aspects of mining that were related to in the coal sector. And obviously during that time also, and I remain with the same stand even today, is that while we are exploring and the need to explore and mine the different resources for the overall development of our state and our country, we also need to ensure that with the use of technology and correct methods, we should ensure that we minimize the impact on the ecology, minimize the impact on the environment. I think that is very important to also remember. I know that there will always be a choice you'll have to make at a certain point, or a certain, we have to draw the line somewhere in one way. But I think it's important that we as stakeholders cannot completely ignore that aspect, is what I'm saying. And it's important that sustainability and the future generation and how we mine should be part of this. And that's why NGT and others have played their role. And obviously we are working together with every stakeholder. We're working closely with the Mines Ministry, with the Coal Ministry, to ensure that that balance is maintained. And I think the most critical word today, which I would like to leave all of you with, is the word balance. Is our land holding systems out here, is our culture, and is the entire traditional aspect of how land ownership is there. These aspects are something again which we do not wish to ignore, and we should not ignore. And it is important that we respect the local people, we respect the landowners, we work with them together in a way that we build up the right consensus, we build up the right atmosphere where we're ensuring that we carry everybody along. I know it's easier said than done, but it is a challenge. But again, it is also in one way a balancing factor in how we move forward. And hence I think it's important to keep in mind that while we move forward in all of these aspects, keeping our our land holding and our traditional rights and our culture also in perspective is very important from our state point of view. Our land holdings, as I said, are very different compared to other parts of the state. To the extent you're aware that even state government, when we want to build up large projects for the state, we have to purchase land. We buy land, government buys land. I just bought 800 acres to put up the new knowledge city, where we'll be coming up with different academies and different kind of institutions and different kind of large-scale projects, whether it's a kind of an education hub or a sports hub, activity hub and a tourism hub. So all of these aspects are being planned. But even for that project, Meghalaya government had to purchase the land. So that's the complexity, but that's also the beauty of our land holding system. It does keep the checks and balances in place, and while we move forward with our exploration and with all these aspects in mind, it would be important for us not to ignore these aspects. And having said that, it's not that everybody's going to say, no, you cannot do this. People would love to. People would like to move forward.